Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing the UFO Portable Evaporative Air Cooler. I've been wanting something like this for a small room or workspace, so let's see what's in the box and how easy it is to set it up. First, let's open our box. This is what it looks like. First thing that comes out of the box is this small pack, so let's see what's inside. First thing we have is the user manual. We have a remote control, which you can control the modes of the air cooler and you can turn it on and off. These are some of the modes. We have some screws. We have 2 large ice boxes and 2 small ones. You can fill these up with water and put it in the freezer to put in your air cooler. Now let's set up our air cooler using our manual. As you can see, everything is nicely packaged, so let's remove those. We have a stand that comes with the cooler, so we'll attach the stand to the bottom of the unit with the screws included. Now we will attach the screws over here. Now that we have our stand, this is what it looks like. We have an upper tank over here and lower tank over here in the back. Where you can fill out the water. I have filled it up with water and you can see the minimum and maximum levels of water over here. Now that everything is set up, I'm going to plug it in and turn it on for the first time. There we go. The screen is on and now we can see the controls. Now I'm going to let it run and test out the different modes. So the first one is speed. You can increase the speed over here. There's 3 levels and it's a pretty heavy airflow, which is nice. This button opens or closes the cooling system. You can set a timer with this button. The maximum is 12 hours. And then we have a mode button where you can use normal, natural, or sleep mode. And the last button controls the left and right panels. As you can see, it is turning to right now. Overall, the setup was really easy and I like how quiet the cooler is. It's already giving a nice airflow, so I'm excited to keep testing it. Thank you for watching.